In this video, I'm going to show you how to use StarTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to sign up for an account, and then you'll be able to get the access to this dashboard, which I'm going to guide you through right now. Now, the first thing here up top, as you can see, you have your username and your user ID, and then the second tab is verification. Now, this is where you want to click in case you want to get your account verified. This is where you can get your personal details in, your ID verification, stuff like that, and your account can then get fully verified and allow full functionality. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. And here you have the download section where you can basically download the platform, so either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 onto your computer or your phone or whatever you want to do. And of course you can just click, it's going to download that easily. You have the logout button over here which will log you out of the platform, and then these are now the basic buttons. So if you click on the home tab, you can see your total assets, how much they're worth, etc. And then you can either click on the deposit here, which will take you to the deposit page. You can do withdrawal, which will take you to the withdrawal page. And then here you have the transfer and the history, which are basically history and the transfers tabs for your account. You have the accounts tab where you can see all your demo and live accounts. You can even filter them by active and expired. And here you also have the ability to filter them by different trading platforms. Of course, you could also open new accounts like this, put in your info, click on submit, and then you will get a new demo or live account. Here you also have the funds tab where you can basically manage everything. My account isn't yet verified, so I can't show you how it looks like, but here you'll basically be able to deposit, withdraw, stuff like that. You can see the promotions here, so in case there's any promotions running, you can join them if you want to. You have the downloads tab, which I showcased earlier, and then you have the tools tab, which basically allows you to open up the copy trader here. So you could, of course, start copy trading. You could go ahead and open up their web trader 4, which is basically the web version of MT4. You have the WebTrader 5, which is the online version of MT5. You have the Star Matrix tools, and then you also have down here at the bottom, as you can see, national or notional volume calculator, which you can also use if you wanna. Here you also have the profile icon where you can basically go to your profile, do your verification, security management. You can transfer IB or affiliate in here, etc., etc. And then here you can contact support. Basically, you can create new tickets, see the tickets, and of course get help if you need it with your platform. Down here bottom right, you also have the option to actually contact support, so you could go ahead and write them a message or do a feedback or opinion. Okay, so of course if you need assistance, this is one of the ways you can get it. You can talk to the customer support and then you are good to go. Okay, so that's pretty much it when it comes to this platform over here. If you'd like to deposit quickly, you could also use this button up top. You could see over here if there's any spare domain names. You can see here if there's any alerts. And at the far right top, you have different languages you can get displayed in here inside your dashboard. Now, that's a quick guide on how to use StarTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.